That's a 2016 Ford Mustang. This is the 4-cylinder turbo. I went ahead and cut out that single in, dual out resonator on there. Cut out both of the mufflers. We ran straight pipe on this thing. I'm gonna lift it up and show you what we did. All right. This is what we did here. Of course, the cat converter is still there. Put a Y pipe in there, just like that, in place of that. And basically just cut out the back mufflers, ran a couple of nice straight pipes back there. So he's running all straight pipe from the front and back, except he still has a converter. We put some nice black tips on there. Looks pretty good. Let's let this thing down, we'll see what she sounds like. All right, let's start this thing up. Not bad, 4-cylinder turbo, 2016 Mustang.